Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are well. Today we will learn the ayat number 20 of Surah Al-Baqarah. So let's start. يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم. يكاد الكاف. Kaf, this one kaf pronounced softly, pronounced from the root of the tongue touching the hard part of the palate. Barqu, Ra has a green color, so bold it, and Qaf. This one Qaf, the Qaf with two dot, pronounced with a thicker voice, pronounced boldly. This one Qaf pronounced from the root of the tongue touching the soft part of the palate. Yakhtafu, Kha and Qa both have green color, so you already know that in colorful Quran Majid, every word which has green color pronounced with a thicker voice, pronounced with thicker voice and boldly. يَخْطَفُ أَبْصَارَهُم Ba. Ba has jazm. When ba has jazm, we do qalqalah. Sad, ra have green color, so we bold it. أَبْصَارَهُم كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه كلما stretch the alif because it has a mad أضاء ضاد has mad, so we stretch it up to 3 alif or up to 3 harkat. Lahum mashaw, meme has tashdid and pink color, so we do gunna. Gunna means our voice comes from nose and we stop a little bit. Fi وَإِذَا أَظْلَمَ عَلَيْهِمْ قَامُوا وَإِذَا ذال. This one zal pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. This one zal pronounced softly. أظلم عليهم عين. Ain, sound of ain is a. Ain pronounced from the middle part of throat. قاموا, qaf pronounced boldly with a thicker voice. وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَذَهَبَ بِسَمْعِهِمْ وَأَبْصَارِهِمْ وَلَوْ شَاءَ stretch the sha because it has a long mud, stretched long mud up to 5 alif or up to 5 harkat. Allahu لَذَهَبَ بِسَمْعِهِمْ Seen pronounced like a whistle sound. وَأَبْصَارِهِمْ This one أَبْصَارِهِمْ pronounced like the previous أَبْصَارِهِمْ. We do qalqalah on ba and we bold pronounce the sad. إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ Inna do gunna on noon because it has a tashdid. Allah, we bold Allah because the previous word has fatha sign. Ala kulli shay'in qadir. So this lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.